Crack your knuckles and boom, arthritis, right? Your aunt's been warning you for years, but is it true? Turns out that pop sound, it's not bones grinding, it's just gas bubbles collapsing in the joint fluid. Multiple studies found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Zero, nada, zilch. One doc even cracked one hand for 60 years and left the other alone. Result? No difference. So, unless you're cracking knuckles in a library during finals week, you're good. Crack away, my friend, it's not arthritis, it's just satisfying science. Follow for more science that ruins old myths.